They beat me and put me out and threw hot water upon me. Me say one time in the house asleep. And my brother come off of the road in at 2 o'clock. You believe me? And the boy beat me when me are 15 years old, you know. The boy beat me if he come to 300. And me start count to 300, you know. And 6 o'clock in the morning, the boy drop one block in my back. And I run, go over 1 yard and jump the fence, and him jump the fence and come over there for me. And him use the steel and chop up my head. He knock me out, me knock out. Knock out me and chop the right side of my head. The boy knock me out. I see my daddy come to carry me to a doctor. So they could sleep over there. So me hear them come out and talk about me son, brother Kaki. People, this is all lies. I'm from Spanish Town, Toys Pen. Them the place, they are bad place. Them the place, they are judgment place. If I hear about Booba back in the days and bone man them. Remember when he done did a capture and in the whole of Spanish Town, the whole of Spanish Town, burned down, you know. Remember about ball play man, then the place, they are turbo place. You can't be them, there's somebody in a blood clot Toys Pen, man, cut off your head. Then there is a judgment place. One of the gang and clans man fight. Remember them the worry. So me hear people talking about their lie. I could never sleep beside my brother. So when I went and I go over my mother's house, my mother and her husband sleep on the bed of she by. And our 2 sons them, they were in the other room. Then they on 2 different beds. Right? And me I tell you, me about 15, you know. Me about 14, 15. You know where I sleep? I sleep on the ground. And the dirty clothes right in the passage where the fridge there. And my mother gets up every morning and saw me on the floor sleeping. And she never said, you know, oh my God, can't sleep this or nothing. Never. Okay? But you know what? I have a good heart. When me come to Switzerland, I support her. I give her money because I love her. No, them not abuse me before me turn gay. Me I tell you from me born me a gay. Everybody know me in a Toys Pen. From me a one me a bed down a pee-pee. From me a one me put on my mother clothes, my girly. From a born, me I tell you from a born me a gay. So through me a girl in my community, that's why. But let me tell you something. My family them abuse me. And people in the community abuse me too. Right? But my family they abuse me. I'm not in Paris anymore. I'm back in Switzerland. You see, because my family them abuse me. I'm back in Switzerland, darling. You see, because my family them abuse me, the people that come to them abuse me too because they realize that my family them do it to me. Right? Which is sometimes when them abuse me in the community, if somebody trouble me, I went to the man them and the man them beat them or tell them to leave me alone. Because of my life. But when my brother them abuse me, they don't care about that. They don't. So when I see a lot of people saying that destiny your mouth, this your mouth, that. Thank you, baby, for that. My jawbone fracture. My brother them beat me and throw black in my back, black in my face and black on bicycle. My brother run bike over me. My brother run lick me with all bike. So that is why. So every day at Jamaica, every minute me I say broke. Because why me I say broke? Me cannot if me eat. If me at Jamaica me eat. Yes so it will yes so. I know me oat meat, you know, and me can feel look pain, I say, you know. Me still can feel anytime on my mouth, so. Me feel pain, yes, so. Me can anytime, me feel pain, I say, you know. Me still feel pain, yes, so. So, what me do is, when I go at the doctor, me do the x-ray. Them say, you know, broke. But it fracture. Them say shift. Them say that the bone is shift over. Say, you see, because it's shift, that's why I look so. But good news, I'm getting there. I'm getting there very soon. I do some things for my teeth today, and next week they're supposed to take out my wisdom teeth, and they're supposed to shape on the front. And after that, they're gonna put in the braces. They're gonna put in the plastic one that it push back the teeth and push back the face, so it's gonna be back normal. So yeah, and it already pay for everything, my love. It's social already pay fees. I'm supposed to go next week and go take out the teeth them, and then because them can't put in the sum up on my teeth, them say them have to come out. They don't want to put in the bunny and they don't come out. Say, yeah. And yeah, so my bag at 31 teeth, my bag with my love. Cause you see like how people that have space in their teeth here, so me have here, so on the side. So they that them think, but them not say a space, you know. They must say well at 32 he may have in there, but me have a little space at the side. You see like how people that have space in their teeth, me have it at the side here, so. But sometimes people get up and they judge people. Do not judge people how they live. I've been through so much things. Even when I come to Switzerland, I tried so much time, became myself, and people cannot blame me. It's because of they remember my story when I go through in a life. I can't just sit down and just start remember certain stuff that I've been through. It's not like a one thing I go through. A three brother me ever beat me, a three brother me ever trap me up and stab me up. I clean them every 3 months. 3 brother me ever beat me and trap me up. See there, when my mother there Jamaica, me I love from her, no see. Me no see a fake love me I buy from my mother. Me send all of my money go give my mother. I never know see a fake love me I buy. My mother never took up her phone while I'm in Switzerland 5 years and say my son or my daughter, I love you. She never did. She never did. No. My mother never do it. Never.